Hello everyone, this is Ravi Kiran. I am from Group 479. I am going to discuss about the communication skills in the pediatric population and the Department of Pediatric Pulmonology and Nephrology. In the beginning, we have to warm up ourselves. We have to introduce ourselves to the patients and the parents, and we have to ask the simple questions like their name, age, and their complaints. After that, we can observe that always the pediatric population comes with their parents, so we have to make the environment comfortable. We ask the parents to make the baby or the kid to be comfortable and make them to be playful to adapt to the environment that we are in the clinics. And the communicating of our levels, we have to maintain our communication levels towards the kids, as they are very irritable in the hospitals, and we have to maintain smooth handling in friendly nature and attractive nature towards the patients, towards the pediatric population. And the guidance in the pediatrician hospitals, because every time the parents come to the hospital, they are very tense. We have to make them feel comfortable, and we have to make them guide them to the appropriate stage, that like assurance that we are give to the patient's parents, and using the appropriate terms while we are doing examinations and doing all other stuff. We have to use a normal language, like not a medical terms, because they can't be understand what we are talking. They'll get more tense if you use the complex terminology. So we have to use normal terminology, so the parents and the patient, the kids, can be helpful to understand what we are discussing. And the body language, um, we have to be very soft, very friendly, not harsh, because the kids may be irritable, maybe cry, there will be discomfort. We have to very gentle while doing examinations. Like we have to after asking complaints, sometimes we may to the pulmonology, we have to do auscultations, percussions. This in these conditions we have to touch the baby, may he resist, so we have to be gentle and make ourselves warm, not cold. And engaging the parents, we will engage the parents in the discussion, because if we engage the parents, the kids will be happy that their mother or father is with them in the discussions, and they are always with them, behind them, like that. And ask the patient questions, we will ask the patient parent, like what do you have the problems, how much time it has been, and anomalies, complaints, behavior of the kid, like that. And you have to be tolerant towards the patient, parents, attenders, like they are in the tense condition. We have to be calm and patient to get encouragement, to give encouragement. While doing examinations, we will do percussion and auscultation. While auscultation, we can hear the abnormal sounds, like crackling, whistle sounds, to identify the pathology. And this is the information I'm going to tell you about the communication skills in the pediatric population. Thank you very much.